Hey everybody, it's Roland Real from Complete Trader Academy, another daily review. Today is Thursday, December 29, 2022. Almost the new year. Let's jump into it. This is the candle here. Price opened up, did not break that low, wanted to be stubborn, came all the way back up, back as a retracement. One of the options I was mentioning yesterday pretty nicely. Let's go into a 5-minute, jump right into it. Really easy day, really smooth day. I don't trade Asia. I don't trade London. I wait for between 7:30 and 9:30 or 10 o'clock to get into a trade. When you woke up here, you saw that it never took out this. You see how it's dancing around this low? So it's engineering liquidity. Same thing on the top side. No difference. All this, getting very close to that high. So they're building orders here, accumulating here, and accumulating down here. And today, when we woke up, we already saw order flow going on, right? They're giving you, they want you in. To me, this is very clear that they want you in. As they're building order flow here, you already know you're making higher highs and higher lows. Sure enough, what was the time here? It was, 8:30, yeah. So price came down right into a demand area, took off. Could have been a buyer again at this level. You could have been a buyer at this level. You could have been a buyer at this level. Those are your three entries pretty much. And then I was taking it, well, because we have higher lows, let's just say we're going to continue with higher lows. I know that, at this point, it's anyone's call, but could they take all this? I'm assuming. And is there liquidity still up here or an imbalance of price here? Sure. Can they sink it from here and never come back? Sure. I like the bearish side, but the way they're building it, it's going to be anyone's game. I have not checked the news, so I'm assuming the beginning of the year, they're going to just consolidate it. This is the end of the year, this line. So they're going to consolidate it here, and then you might see something happening on New Year's Eve or day. Well, no, because that's a weekend. But you'll be surprised. It'll come out of nowhere, and then take out both. It might even just come up and then come down, or it just might just come down from here. So I treated this as, okay, we're on the bottom side of the range. So if they're not taking this out, I'm looking for buys, and I'm looking for buys to retrace into this day, this actual day. If we go, I put this line here because I knew if I go to an hour, I'm going to show you real quick. I knew that we would come and touch that wick. This is a supply wick right here. So it hasn't been balanced. You see the imbalance in price here. Perfect place to take profit. Sure enough, it started sinking. After consolidation, I was done. I'm not looking to hold anything, especially at the end of the year. So beautiful trade, easy day. They tipped the hand to you, and that was pretty much it. So, all right, hope this helps. You guys take care. God bless.